All right, guys, let's get through objective 1, which is create a rainbow table for Windows passwords. And here you can see it right here. Steps. We're going to write a Python script to create a hash table for NTLM passwords. We're going to use this dictionary here. So let's go ahead and grab that. Let me just hit copy there. Over here to Firefox. Hit a Control-A, Control-C. Go over here to the terminal. Change my profile to a white background for you guys. Actually, first thing I want to do is I want to make a directory. This is going to be Lab2. This is Lab2A for me. So now I'm in my directory Lab2A. I'm going to make my dictionary file using gedit. Here it is. I'm going to hit a Control-V. Now I'm going to go up here, get rid of the comments, so when we're working our script, it doesn't try to do that on that as well. I'm going to hit save on that. I'm going to check to see what I got. I got a bunch of words. It's great. I can X out of that. Let me hit, do a list. I got my dictionary text in there. Okay, what's next on the list? Use that dictionary, write a Python script to create a hash table for NTLM passwords. Before hashing, the passwords are stored as Unicode text. Write a file. Use the correct hash algorithm. It's for NTLM. We know that's MD4. Write a file with one line per password in the word list file. All right. All right, let's see. So in class, Dr. Morris Googled NTLM Python, and then I remember, here it is right here. It's generated NTLM hash in 3 lines of Python from Trusted Sec. These are the guys that also do the Social Engineer Toolkit and the Pen Testers Framework, which are great tools to use if you're into doing pen testing. Look at that, 3 lines of codes here. Let's read this and see what it's doing. We're importing the hash library as well as bin ASCII, and that bin ASCII is because of that UTF, that Unicode text file that we're encoding here, and that you need that for when you're doing your print here. So hash, so we're defining hash is equal to the hash lib new. So hash from the hash library new, so it's going to encode using MD4. This is specifically what they're encoding right here. This is my hash value, using that as UTF-16LE, and then the digest. So this is coming from the bin ASCII here on this encode, and then it's going to print that back out. So the hexlifies. So within this encoding hash. So this whole line is going to come up with that hash. Then you're going to print that out. Now we've got a dictionary.txt file. So we want to basically use this exact same code for encoding, for creating that hash, but we need to do it within a file. So if you go to Stack Overflow, someone asked this question: create a rainbow table from words and text file with Python. His name was Joe Terry. I'm sure he's probably in the same class that we're in. So here's an answer right here. So we're importing hashlib bin ASCII that's identical. And here it is. They're opening a file. They're writing it. they're writing to us. So the output of the file is going to be called NTLM rainbow table text. It's going to open using a dictionary, so that's where it's reading that file. So again, from words in text file, and they're splitting it on each word. And here it is. The H, which could be written as hash, equals hash lib new MD4. Again, that's NTLM word. So each word that it reads from the dictionary text, encode, there's a UTF-16LE, just like right here, digest, and then result write word, plus that colon, plus Banansky, hexafy. Let's see, why do we do it that? Because if we go back to our instructions here from Dr. Morse, write a file with one line per password in the word list file, where you got the password and then you got the hash. Okay, let's start writing. Let's see, NTLM rainbow crack.py. All right, so the first thing we got to input, let's go back to this. Let me just go ahead and copy that and see if I can't paste that in there. I believe I can. So we're going to create an NTLM rainbow table from Word Dictionary. So we already went through here. This is what my dictionary file is called. Dictionary. I can actually make that hash so it's easier to understand. And all this does, this is the new line character. So then it's going to print, it's going to write the word. So the word from dictionary right here. So word in dictionary. Then it's going to do a colon. You can actually do a space in colon. Then if you want, then another space. However you want that. Then it's going to do that hash. Okay. Let's hit save. Let's exit out of that. Now let's see. Save your hash table to answer questions in the quiz. All right. Let's go back to our terminal. Let's see. Let's hit ls here. We got dictionary. So these are the two files that we have in our terminal right now, or in our directory. Let us run that Python script. Python. If you start typing a file that you already know is there, for example, this file here, and then you hit the tab key, it'll finish typing that for you. I'm just going to hit the enter key here. Looks like it's done. Let's hit ls, and we should see 3 files. Lo and behold, we do. So let's look at, let's hit cat NTLM rainbow table. So lo and behold, look, there's our output. If we go all the way up, so it's done something. So it's definitely given us the word and then a colon and then a hash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have tested this out. This will get you, if you hit Control L again here, it'll clear the screen. That table, so if I were to open it up within gedit, here, there it is, and then I do my Control F. When I'm taking a quiz, for example, if this were the hash that he asks you to find, you know, do Control F, and oh look, I found it, it's shadow. So this output, so that code will get you the correct answers for your quiz. All right, so what's next?